Welcome everyone. This is Subhendu here with a new video tutorial related to Sentinel-2 data download in remote sensing and care. This is known to all that Sentinel-2 data is free and open source. And this data has 10 meter spatial resolution for the band 2, 3, 4 and 8. So this image is highly recommended for land use. Let's know the process of data download. To download the data, at first you have to open your Chrome browser. After opening that, you have to search for Copernicus Open Access Hub. This access link is given to the description. So if you want to go to the link directly, then you just scroll down the description and click from there. After opening the Copernicus Open Access Hub, you have to select, just wait for some time, you have to select Open Hub. This is the data bank. Open Hub, this is the data bank. And from this data hub, you can surf and download any kind of data worldwide. To download that data, at first you have to register here. So how do you register yourself? You just click on the login button. Then just click on sign up. And this page will open and you select your first name, last name. You select a username as per your requisition, then select a password, and to set the password you have to follow these rules. Okay, these rules. Then after selecting the password, you have to provide your email, and after completing all the necessities, you have to select the domain that is, you select what you want, maybe atmosphere or maybe climate or maybe other. Then select usage, that may be research purpose or education purpose. You select one of them and select your country, then register here. Okay, as I have already registered, so I am just logging in myself. Okay. So I have logged in. Now I want to download a data for Kolkata. So I am just scrolling down to Kolkata, and you will see that that is the map of Kolkata. Okay, this is the Kolkata. So to download the data for Kolkata, you have to navigate for switch to navigation mode. Switch to navigation mode. After switching to navigation mode, you have to select Kolkata. Just drag. After selecting the area of interest, you have to go to that 3 dot, and in this area you have to select the product type. You have to select Mission Sentinel-2, Mission Sentinel-2, and in product type you have to select S2M SI2A, and cloud cover. You just copy that, just copy and paste, and you do here 5%. So 0 to 5% cloud cover is allowed. Now search. It will take some time, and for downloading this data you need fast internet. It will take some time, and you will see that the data is available for 14th May of 2021, 24th April of 2021. So I am selecting a data. I am selecting this data. Just see or view this product from here. This is the data for Kolkata, and this is the image. So After that you have to download it. From you download, you just click here download product, or you just click here download product. These data are not available, that is offline, and this data is available, that is online. Okay, this data is also available, this data is also available. So I am just downloading one, just select here download product, and you will see the data is downloaded. As I have already downloaded, so I am just pausing. So this is the process of downloading Sentinel-2 data. When done, then you have to log out from here. Okay, so thank you very much for seeing this, and if you like that, then subscribe this channel for further this type of videos. Thank you very much.